Hi folks, welcome to my channel. I have a galvanized raised garden bed I'm going to use for strawberries. It comes with this trim for the top. Got the nuts and bolts. Comes with a really small screwdriver, pair of gloves, 6 corner pieces, and 4 straight pieces. And a set of instructions. So let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do to make it easier on myself, and probably be easier for you as well, is put a bolt and a nut on the top and bottom piece. Don't tighten it down, and do that all the way around so it can stand up like this. Now what I do is I lay it down on the ground and I just put this up through the bottom. If I can find the hole, there it is. Put a couple nuts on it and move on. Now, as I said before, don't tighten these down. These are 10 millimeter, and these screws take the Phillips head screwdriver or a plain screwdriver. It's made for either. But that is the 10 millimeter nut. Now you got 3 of these for one end and 3 for the other. So all you got to do is take and stand these up like so. They'll pretty much stand there, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Put my bolts through there, put some nuts on. As you can see, it pretty much stands up on its own. This stuff is really thin and it's really sharp. That's why they have gloves, and that's why they prefer you not let the kids help you put it together, because this will slice you really bad if you're not careful. And I'm overlapping these all the same way, just like this. All the way around, just like that. I don't think it matters, but yeah, it's your preference. And as you can see, it pretty much stands up on its own. This one here's not bolted down. So it'll sit there, and I will put the top and bottom bolts in it. There's 40 bolts and nuts. Okay, there's one whole side. There's 12 nuts and bolts right there. Okay, I got all the nuts and bolts in there. I still have to tighten them down. The good thing is they give you extra nuts and bolts. Instead of using this little bitty screwdriver that came with this kit, I'm going to use a little bit bigger screwdriver and a 10 millimeter nut driver with my cordless drill. And I got my tension on 7. Of course, that's your preference, whatever you want to put your tension on. Okay, there it is. All the bolts are tightened down. So the next thing is to put our trim on top of here. And they give you a pretty good piece of trim, so I'll see how far it'll go. All we got to do is take and drop it on there just like this, and take it like that all the way around. Now, as you can see, they give us a little bit more than what we need, not much more. I'm going to have to cut this off and even it up. This does have aluminum in it as well, as you can see. So you're going to have some kind of cutters if you want a nice clean cut. I can't make it longer, but I can make it shorter. So I'll cut it a little long just to get myself up to where I need to be. There. Now I'll just cut a little bit more off. Like I said, I can make it shorter, but I can't make it longer. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm satisfied with that. Okay. That's it. Now all I got to do is take it outside, find a place to put it, fill it full of dirt and mulch. I'll probably put mulch in the bottom, dirt on top, and get my strawberries planted, because I've had strawberries for years. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer them over into this thing here. So like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.